냄새도 괜찮은데?
그치. Yeah, it's a scenic.
Recording both of us.
I see.
Oh yeah, and also like look at the screen, the mirror, 저기 window reflection. 어제는 이 불들이 다 예쁘게 켜져 있었어. 어제 밤에 났을 때는 they were all closed.
It's nice to have the 2 bathrooms.
그치? if you need it, 그치?
Yeah.
아, 이렇게 걸어서 오면 이렇게 가깝네, 그치?
The 2-bedroom one? Where I saw.
아, 여기서도 할 수 있네? 따라 내려오는 것 같은데 지금?
Ah.
We got this place to ourselves. Go and spend all my arcade money on Pokemon. I did, but I don't know if I don't. Let's just pretend that we're doing it. I'm rich. I'm gonna be financially responsible.
automatically check하게 되는데 if you do this, it'll make sure both of us are in the frame.
She's doing Tetris. I think your Mimi's doing Tetris. Oh, bonus for Robux.
Good.
Look, I got this from Everland.
It's recording the video.
Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, this is a magic trick that I'm gonna show. Okay, I opened it. I ate all of it in one bite. Oh! See, I ate it so fast. Now it's like a mountain. Ready? I'm gonna show. I'm gonna be smart, okay? 3, 2, 1. Look in my eyes.
It's like the restaurant's on the second floor.
But it's not mine because it doesn't have the letter A on it.
와, 여기도 샌드 너무 좋다.
Get close, Clayton. Noah. Can you guys get close like you like each other? Yeah.
10 centimeters.
1, 2.
Dad, this would have been a really pretty shot if the rest of it were here. Don't get our feet wet. Why should we not get our feet wet? Yeah, I'll just sit. Did I just feel a raindrop?
의자가 하나 더 필요하겠는데? 저쪽에 다 3명 앉아야겠는데 저쪽에?
Oh, yeah, Daddy. Let me show you that.
나무 냄새가 너무 좋아.
Guess how many there is in total?
에프런치야?
zucchini 아니야 zucchini?
zucchini 진짜 맛있다. 샐러드 다 먹으면 you have space.
How would you have cheese with vegetables?
이런 퀘션은 리콜 해놨다가 나중에 이제 결혼식 때 털어줘야 돼.
So basically, she hears his like plead, and she's like, "Oh, he needs my help, right?" So basically, after that, she goes to she begs him. She's like, "Oh my God, Kate, really do I ask for it? But now I'm stacking, but now I'm standing, but now I'm knocking, with the hopes to save a friendship with one who's a."
When it's ready, okay? We'll let you do it. 이건가 보다.
I always get it, Jack. I also want to get that.
감사합니다. Noah, here.
Cherry vanilla.
Say ooh. He's recording too. Look at the mountain and the sky. 와, 이 날씨에 물에 들어가면 끝장이다. 오케이, 희수야, 아빠.
Oh, that was. I forgot to wash it. Okay. I got it all the way up to here.
Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
It has to be facing down here.
이렇게?
A little bit up. I want to. What's your definition of outside the city? Appa, you want to sit inside? Yay! Yay!
와.
Now we cover him up.
Jesus, just like Jesus was their disciple. I'll try your feet.